And then she starts freaking out. I'm like, all right, you're going in handcuffs too. So I grab her arm, she tenses up. I have to put her on the car. She's pulling back. She delivers a blow with her right elbow to me. So I escort her to the ground, get on top of her, get her on. You. Is this really what we're going to be doing tonight? Seriously?
No, being honest with you, no.
No, because now we have a witness saying something happened back here. So
what's happened?
Do you want to go? Do you want to go that route?
No.
Because we'll go that route.
No.
What happened?
Being honest with you, I tried to get everything so smooth.
Right. Well, so
and right.
two problems exist right now. One, they told us that you were choking her against the car. Okay, so that's
No
probably.
way.
Let's check the cam.
So that's problem one.
I'm gonna sue behind. Let's check the cam.
Okay, that's problem one.
Okay,
Problem
let's go.
two is you're plastered and you're sitting in the driver's seat of the car with the keys on.
No. Okay.
So-
Who is sitting? No.
Baby.
You
No.
so
No.
That's the
Are you
second
kidding
problem.
They say that I strangled you. Let's see the cameras.
Okay,
Whatever they
let's see the
accuse me.
cameras.
Yes, that's
and
what
we
we're
go,
gonna do.
and
Let's
we
see
go.
the
That's what we're gonna
cameras.
do.
Let's see the cameras.
Yes,
Okay.
that's what we're gonna do. All
Are
right,
you kidding
perfect.
me? Let's see the cameras. Okay.
You guys are doing all of this in front of your kid.
No,
Come
being
on,
no,
man.
exactly. Being on
You doing this? Are you kidding me? You doing all of this?
baby.
Because he's fucking Hispanic. Are you kidding me?
Baby. Being honest with you, I just want to go home. Being honest
You
with you,
fucking
I've been trying for the last half
stupid
hour.
ass motherfucker.
Baby.
You are stupid
Baby,
ass
baby.
motherfucker.
Just
No, I don't give a fuck.
Just get in the car.
No. Stupid ass motherfucker.
Just get in the
You
car.
see me? You see me?
Alessia,
I see you.
Alessia,
Stupid ass motherfucker.
Just get in the car.
No, are you kidding me?
Yes. No, I'm not even kidding.
He was choking me? Are you fucking kidding me?
That's
No,
what
you,
they told
you,
us.
somebody told you. No, you are the one that
You're getting
fucking.
borderline
Baby,
disorderly
Alessia,
intox. I don't want
Alessia,
to take you to jail, so
Angelo.
just
Yeah,
relax.
Fuck you.
Just relax.
Fuck you.
Mommy, Angelo is right there, baby.
I know Angelo's right there. And these
Come on.
motherfuckers you're supposed to
Papi,
protect.
listen.
You're supposed
Stand
to
back
protect.
from me. Stand back from me.
Why you not protecting me?
Two Paul for a
Stupid
second.
ass bitch.
Baby.
Why you not protecting?
Mommy, why are you so mean?
I'm trying.
Why you not protecting?
Baby.
You stupid ass motherfucker.
Baby.
No! I'm tired of them!
Hey,
I'm tired of you!
hey, stop.
Stupid ass truck guys!
Stop.
No!
Stop.
Listen to me.
No!
Please
Stop.
listen to me.
Stop.
I'm tired of them!
Stop.
I know.
Stupid ass!
I know.
So, inside they're reporting that he was strangling her. Applebee's reviewing camera footage. She's encroaching on me. I had to push her away.
I'm tired of you!
So, which he's reviewing camera footage to see if that's legitimate, but she was in the driver's seat with the car. So,
Don't touch me!
thank you.
Don't touch me! No! Why are you touching me?
Come here.
Why are you touching me? Why?
Hold on.
Why?
Back up.
No!
Back up.
Why are you touching me? No! 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 Why are you touching me?
Stop. Hands back. Hands behind your back now. Hands behind your back. Stop resisting. Stop.
Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me?
Batman.
Why are you touching me?
I go. All right.
Stop it!
Left arm. I got left arm. Got left arm.
Why are you touching me?
Hey.
Why are you touching me?
Stop.
Why are you touching me?
Stop.
Why are you touching me?
Just give me your arm.
Why are you touching me? Why are you touching me?
Alicia, come on.
Why are you touching me?
Hang on.
No!
She's gonna go from back.
Yeah, she was trying to bite me too.
This is not possible! Why is that here? No! No! Fuck you! Fuck you!
Just let her sit.
Why are you touching my baby? My baby! My baby! you, short ass motherfucker. Move.
No.
Stop.
No.
We're going to the car. Thank you. Let's go. Come on, act like an adult.
No. Do it.
Put her in mine, because I'll take her.
Ow! My head! You fucking chicken! Ow!
Stop.
Ow! My head! Ow!
Get in the car.
No!
Get in the car.
No! Look!
Make this easier.
No!
car.
No! No! Look! My hand! Stupid! Look at my hands! Stupid! Look at my hands! Oh! Look at my hands! Stupid! Look at my hands!
I don't think I have a double.
Dumbass!
I do.
Oh my God! If I could, I would. And my son, what happened to him?
Come on.
Ow!
You got a key? I'll go.
Ow! 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 Ow!
You want them adjusted?
Ow!
Just need double lock.
Lose it!
No, that's double
Lose
lock.
it! Ow!
All right.
Ow!
Have a seat in the car.
Ow!
Have a seat in
No,
the car.
my hands hurt me so bad! And my hands hurt me! It hurts!
What hurts?
It hurts! My hands hurt!
What part of your hand?
Like all of it! My hands!
Okay.
It hurts! It hurts so
Seat in the car.
bad! It hurts so bad! Ah.
Take a deep breath. What do you want? You want me to readjust them? Yes? You want me to readjust them?
Loosen it, please. Loosen it. Loosen it.
Do you even know her name yet? No.
Loosen it.
Alicia?
What's your name?
Loosen it. Alexia.
Alexia. Alexia. Stop.
Loosen it. Loosen it. It hurts. Loosen it. Loosen it. Loosen it. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts right now like it hurts. Like it hurts. It hurts. It hurts.
You can get fingers in there.
Yeah,
So,
I can on both sides.
All right.
Okay, listen it.
Pull from the other
It
side.
hurts my wrist. It hurts my wrist. My wrist hurts. No, my wrist hurts. 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 My wrist hurts.
In the car we go.
My wrist hurts. Ah, my wrist hurts. My wrist hurts. My wrist hurts. My wrist hurts.
All right. So here's what I got. Jeez. Oh, thank you.
That's his employment authorization
Awesome.
and her DL. And then her keys and watch are now in here.
Okay, perfect.
And he's being cooperative?
Semi. Not like
Yes.
this.
So
Yeah, he's not being like this, that's for sure.
yeah, separate
Are they
of
both
the
intoxicated?
yes.
Yes. And they have a 5-year-old with them. Wonderful.
So separate of the 38 that's happening, I'm just sitting out front to make sure they don't come back. So Appleby pulls up, and the manager is like,
Because they were
Hey.
meandering.
yeah, they were going back and
They were
forth,
going to
but,
come back after we left to get into 22.
Yeah.
but then they went up the alley. We're like, all right, cool. So we're just sitting outside. The manager comes over. I guess one of his line cooks said, hey, that dude is strangling the chick in the back. So we come back here. She's in the driver's seat of the car. She's hammered. Car's on. He's standing outside the car like, oh my God. So we tell him, hey, this is what's happening now. They made a claim. He's like, go look at the cameras. So we're like, great, no problem. She goes berserk. So I have 4, hey, step it up. So that way we can get people back here. We can get people in handcuffs. Me and Ridge and Oscar show up. He was like, okay, cool, we're good to detain. So they grab him, put him in cuffs. She comes over.
Did he resist? No.
No, he's
cooperative.
Yeah.
Okay. He was cooperative. He knew he was being detained, and then she started to freak out that we were putting him in handcuffs and got towards me. So I put my arm out and said, take a step back.
Right.
He jumps around to that side, and our guy's trying to explain to her, just calm down.
Yeah.
Just calm down. And she's screaming like that the entire
I'm there
time.
to create distance. And then she starts freaking out. I'm like, all right, you're going in handcuffs too. So I grab her arm, she tenses up. I have to put her on the car. She's pulling back. She delivers a blow with her right elbow to me. So I escort her to the ground, get on top of her, get her arm. Marston comes over, gets the other arm. As she's doing that, she attempts to bite Marston. We get her into the handcuffs. And she's been crying and freaking, and we walk over here and you roll up.
I talked to the guy that was supposedly in the back, got his info. He said that when I talked to him just now, he said he didn't say choking. He's like one of those like grab you and like pin you to the car.
Okay.
That's essentially what he explained. So
Are you the Dodge?
You can go out that side of the parking lot.
No, I think his car's blocked in.
Oh, yeah.
I get his name and stuff, but the manager doesn't have access to the cameras right now. He said it's one of those things where we'd have to come back like the next day,
Of course.
to see that.
All right.
But that guy, that's what he was saying. He said he was just getting kind of
So he's just kind of control her, basically.
But then he said, well, she was saying things like, I'm gonna die or something like that. So
Take a deep breath.
that's why he was.
How old is she?
She is born in 97, so that's 27, 26.
27, depending on her birthday.
I'm going to see if she's got local history.
Here?
97.
97.